You need to hear this if you're a data analyst. Tableau versus Power BI. Who reigns supreme? Let's break it down. Tableau is the heavyweight champion of data visualization. It's known for its powerful data exploration and intuitive drag-and-drop interface, perfect for complex analytics. On the other hand, Power BI is Microsoft's sleek contender. It offers strong integration with Microsoft products and is super user-friendly, especially if you're familiar with Excel. Integration-wise, Tableau plays nice with various data sources like SQL and Salesforce. But Power BI, it's a seamless fit with Azure, Excel and SharePoint. When it comes to performance, Tableau handles large data sets like a breeze. Power BI is strong too, but really shines with smaller to mid-sized data sets. Pricing? Tableau's premium features come at a cost. Power BI is more wallet-friendly, especially for Microsoft 365 users. So, which tool fits your needs? The choice is yours.